Hey, this is Manny Fresh with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to retrieve your Windows 10 product key. By default, there's not really a quick way to obtain the key unless you use PowerShell with a specific script to retrieve your Windows 10 key. I don't use none of that. What I'm going to show you is one of the programs that I use to retrieve my key, and that is called the Magical Jelly Bean. If you go to this website here, they have two versions. One of them is free, so that's all you need here. Unless you have a system where your Windows key is stored in BIOS. Some Dell systems do that, and if you need to retrieve the key, you may have to get the full version to be able to do so. But for this tutorial, you don't have to. I'm gonna go ahead and download the free version and save it. And then what you do is you go to your downloads folder. You're gonna see this executable application. Go ahead and double click it, and you're gonna install it. I'm gonna create a desktop shortcut and install it. So what's unique about this program is you can find the keys for Windows 7, 8, and 10, and even Office. If Windows is off, if Office was installed locally, then you could retrieve the Windows key. Now, if Office was installed through the Microsoft Store, then you might not find those keys. All right, so once you install the program, you go to your desktop. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and find that program called KeyFinder, double click the program. And right off the bat, it's gonna tell you what Windows version you have. And then it's gonna show you the city key. And the city key is basically your serial key for Windows. Product ID is something else. And it tells you your computer name and the register owner. So once you see the city key, you could copy paste that, and that's basically your Windows key. You could save it. If you're trying to reinstall Windows, you could use the same key and then reinstall it, making sure that you use the same version that it shows there. And that's how basically you retrieve your Windows 10 key. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave your comment below, and please subscribe to my channel.